Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. And here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So in my case it was almost 2 hours, and most of the time I've spent on the settings than Play Store. So if you'd like to check some further details, you can either tap inside the graph and you can open the dashboard, and here we've got it. So you can compare the screen time in particular days of the week. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the exact time you've spent on them. And the second way to check some details is to tap on the specific app. So for example, the settings in my case, or Play Store, just tap on it, and here you've got again the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Again, you can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.